Hey guys, it's Glenny Grits with Glenny Grits Juice, and today's episode we're going to be talking about the reduced juice. This is going to help reduce inflammation, it's going to help reduce muscle soreness, it's going to help reduce acidity in the stomach, and it's just an overall delicious juice. I'm really glad that you guys tuned in, so follow me and let's get this started. So guys, I just want to give you a little glimpse of the ingredients here. We have spinach, chia seeds, coconut oil. We have some about 4 celery stalks cut up, 1 Honeycrisp apple, a cucumber, 1 lemon, some pineapple chunks, and of course, our alkaline water. Okay, now that you guys have seen the ingredients, let's go ahead and build it. This is the fun part. Big old handful of spinach. You know I'm very generous with my spinach. Glenny Grits, can't get enough spinach. I'm going to just shove that bad boy in there. Boom. Toss that to the side. We're going to go ahead, we're just going to throw this Honeycrisp apple all in there. Boom. Cucumber, all of it. You can make this stuff chunky, you can make it diced up, however you want it. Pretty much the Nutribullet Rx, the juicer that I choose to use, is amazing. It'll take care of anything, so don't you worry. We're going to take this 1 whole lemon, bam, throw it in there. Going to take our celery, throw that in there. Give that a little shake so it settles down there. Next we're going to add our pineapple chunks. You're going to want about a cup, but like I said, Glenny Grits, he doesn't really measure. He just goes at it. That's how I do it. So we're going to add a little bit of chia seeds here. Sprinkle them bad boys. And of course, we have my trusty coconut oil. Add that to everything. Love this stuff. Get it in there. Oh yeah. Hey guys, now that we have the ingredients for our juice built, I want to go ahead and talk a little bit about the ingredients and some of the benefits of these ingredients, okay? Let's start with spinach here, okay? Spinach is a great dietary fiber, helps with inflammation, has vitamins A, C, E, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all the way to Z, okay? It's packed full of vitamins, okay? It also has a lot of potassium, okay? We're also dealing with lemon in here. Lemon is good for heart health. It also helps with weight control, and it has great digestive benefits as well as great anti-inflammation properties, okay? Cucumbers, antioxidants, great for hydration, helps lower blood sugar. Chia seeds, like I always say, these little chia seeds right here that you see, each one of those are about 20% protein, okay? They also help with weight loss and also have a lot of omega-3s in them as well. Okay, coconut oil helps lower cholesterol for you ladies out there. It also helps with your skin and hair. I know you ladies love that benefit of coconut oil. And it's also a brain booster. So, I mean, there's a lot of good properties in it, you know. And apples, last but not least, apples, which I love, promote brain function. It's fiber, helps weight loss, fights against type 2 diabetes. Reduces heart disease. I mean, apples do everything, and I'm going to say it again, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. And now that I've explained the benefits of the ingredients that I have for my juice, let's go ahead and make some delicious juice. Alright guys, let's go ahead and add our alkaline-based water. Going to fill that to the max line. Looks so good already. Can't wait to get this thing blended up. Right, we're at the max line. Go ahead and cap her up. Right. And here we go, guys. Here's where the magic happens. Alright guys, there you have it, the reduced juice by Glenny Grits Juice. And just wanted to show you guys the finished product. Here it is, in all its glory. Can't wait to try it. I'm about to pour a glass. Come with me, guys. I'm about to pour a glass for me and my esteemed colleague, director, And cinematographer, producer, editor, one Cheesy Correa. Without him, this wouldn't be possible.
Big time, we got a lot of rolls over here.
For my friend.
Thank you, sir. Salute.
Hey. Salute. Hey, keep healthy grits, y'all.
Oh, that's good.
Oh my God.
Reduced juice for the win.
Reduced juice for the win. Hey, thanks for tuning in. If you guys like what you saw, go ahead, subscribe, share, like my channel, get the word out there. Let's start the revolution. Keep healthy grits, y'all.